ito naman, Jules, mahilig ka bang tumakbo?
Yes, everyday yan.
Pero gusto mo makatulong?
Mas oo.
Siyempre yan, perfect na perfect dahil ito pag-uusapan natin ngayong umaga, fun run na makakatulong ka sa ibang tao. So para po pag-uusapan yan, makakasama natin this morning. Let us all welcome Mr. Andrew Lagmay, Assistant Treasurer ng Our Dreams, at Mr. Rudy Fernandez, ang kanilang consultant. Good morning. Welcome to Good Morning, Boss.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, let's talk about Our Dreams. What is this all about? At saka ano po ba nga layunin ito?
Our Dreams, ang layunin ng Our Dreams, makatulong sa mga nangangailangang bata. Focus is education. So we are trying to raise funds for to support mga incoming scholars for UP for academic year 2015 to 2016. The background is that Our Dreams was organized to pursue the dreams of youngsters. If we don't have it here now, but the trustees, members of the board of trustees, are all newly graduates and students. And so, ang gusto lang naming i-pursue dito yung dreams nila. So we let them decide, and we thought of the fun run as the initial project to raise funds.
Okay. So, this August 31st, meron tayong mock run na gagawin, isang fun run. So, ba't fun run yung naisip niyong gawin na activity?
Basically, we want gusto natin itong mga pamilya. Initial, as Andrew said, the objective of this fun run is to raise funds precisely for the needy students who want to go to college. So, and they have identified scholars already. Ang pagkakaiba ito, I think what makes this unique and different from the other runs is that we want it to be a family. We want them to embrace yung idea of helping others.
Yes.
Of giving. So that's the purpose of this fun run.
Ang Our Dreams po ba, gano'n na po ito katagal?
This was organized, well, the project started 2012. We started thinking about 2012. The initial project was actually a golf tournament last year, which was also intended to support scholars sa Philippine Science High School naman yun. And this is the second major event for Our Dreams. This is going to be an annual event. And everything is, all the funds that will be raised will be for the scholarship fund of the group.
Alright, so you've mentioned about the scholarship fund. So, how many are we targeting? Ilang beneficiaries po ba for this fun run?
Specifically for this fun run, at least 5, maximum of 10 for school year 2015 to
for college.
For college.
For college.
Initially, we have targeted 10 scholars for UP. We still have to work on the mechanics of how to choose them. We'll have to coordinate with the qualifications. But yun yung initial target. And it's not limited to the first year. Tuloy-tuloy yun. When we start awarding grants for scholars, ang commitment namin is for them to finish, hopefully up to their completion of their degrees.
And meron na tayong napag-graduate, di ba?
Graduating pa lang. Our first scholar is a BS Bio student from UP.
Wow.
And we are happy to share with you that she's graduating, she's running for honors. So hopefully makatapos siya.
Pre-med ba to, sir?
Yes, BS Biology.
Okay, so most likely, baka ituloy niya rin to for medicine.
Nagsabi na siya. So,
okay. So tuloy pa rin
mukhang, may personal commitment ako doon. So, I hope Our Dreams would pick it up. But yeah, mukhang tuloy-tuloy kung mag-qualify.
Alright, congratulations, no? At sana patuloy natin suportahan ang mga programa at proyekto ng Our Dreams. Pero ito pa nga, bago yan, isa po sa kanilang proyekto, itong kanilang fun run na mangyari na po sa August 31. So, let us talk about the fun run. So, magkano po ang registration fee, and is this open to the public?
Yeah, it's open to the public. Ang yung registration fee is 500 for adult individuals. Then, meron tayong discount for students, 350 for students. Then, we have also, said, family affair ito. It's a family run. So, we encourage families to participate. Marami na nag-register na mga pamilya.
Ilan na po ngayon?
I think we have reached enough and we're closing the registration.
By Tuesday.
Ako sana humabol na yung mga...
Kaya those who are still interested, dapat mag-register na because we will definitely close the registration.
Okay.
And of course, syempre nandito sa harapan natin, Jules, yung mga kit na kasama kapag po tayo ay nag-register. We have the
T-shirt.
the towel, kompleto, the
kompleto
bag.
yan. They will have ito yung running bag. Then we have the T-shirt for the 11K. We have
6.6.
6.6. This is green. We have 3 colors. One is blue
So color-coded.
for the 4
Color-coded for the different categories.
This is maroon for the 11K.
Ayan.
11K. 4.4 naman
Talagang-
ito.
Siyempre si Mr. Rudy ang model natin for the maroon, for the 11K
Meron yung
category.
consultant for the run din kasi.
Pero we also have water. Ito yung
Yeah,
nakakatuwa.
water.
may
Yan, bigay yan.
libre.
May energy bar.
Wow.
And then there will be free for the finishers, free food, and there will be raffle
We will
prize.
we'll be serving breakfast after the run. Light lang, hindi yung buffet na.
So again, for adults, 500 pesos, and then para sa mga students, 350
Then
pesos.
for group registration, mga 2,000 for 5.
Okay.
For 5.
For family of
For
4,
family
it's
of
1,500.
So saan po ito gaganapin?
This will be at the UP Academic Oval. Ang staging area would be in front of Palma Hall AS sa parking area.
Ayan. So nakikita natin, Diana, pero syempre hindi kasama to sa kit. Yung trophy 11K, ito yung nag-aabang sa inyo na isa sa mga prizes. Ano
Yeah, one
ang
of the
prizes na nag-aabang sa mga
There will be that will not be announced here. It will be announced soon.
Okay.
Surprise sa mga runners natin.
Pero sure na may trophy.
Sure of trophy, sure of medals, and there will be a raffle prize, by the way, a flat TV.
Yeah.
May flat.
Maraming
Maraming raffle prizes, but we have been assured na meron pa. Maraming nag-contribute kasi for this event. So we invite everyone to join and register earliest na. We're closing.
We have online registration at www.ourdreams.co. Walang M, nagkakamali yung iba. It's still open. We're closing it by Tuesday or Wednesday because we now have we're close to the limit of the runners, targeted number of runners.
Alam mo, Jules, naisip ko, in celebration pa rin po of National Heroes Day, para makagawa tayo, makakontribute tayo in our own little way, lalo na kung syempre on a budget ka, nagtipid ka, ito, pinaka-perfect, hindi ka lang magiging syempre fit dito, kundi makakatulong ka pa in your own little way. Sa ganitong klase ng act, pwede kang makatulong at maging bayani, di ba, in your own little way, lalo na ngayon,
So,
na celebrate natin ito.
Sana lahat ng mga boss na nanonood ngayon na mag-register na sila dahil by tomorrow, i-close na raw ang registration.
Yes.
Okay, so before we go to other details pa, of course, Mac Run yung title. So bakit ba yan yung pinangalan dito sa fun run na to, sir?
Because this was conceptualized to honor the memory of my departed daughter. Ang pangalan niya kasi Maria Andrea Cristina or Maki. So yun, MAK, and then Mac.run. So the same is with the golf tournament, Mac Cup naman yun, Mac.cup. So Mac represents Maria Andrea Cristina.
Okay.
And this is also to continue her advocacy na talagang makatulong din sa mga kapwa-estudyante na talagang para makapagtapos din ng pag-aaral.
Yes, because she was one of the movers of this also, bago magkasakit. In fact, the first beneficiaries of our dreams were Philippine Science High School students where she belonged, batch 2018. So tinutuloy lang namin yan.
Alright, ito po, kung gusto nyo pong sumali na tatakbo ito, mahilig sa fun run. At the same time, makakatulong po tayo sa ating mga mamamayan. Mac Run po, August 31, 2014, no?
Sa UP Diliman
Sa UP
yan.
Diliman. Pero siguro at this point, do you have any message or viewers or would you like to invite them?
Yeah, we are inviting everyone, families, friends. Maraming pupunta dito. It's like a reunion of old friends. Hindi kailangan tumakbo. Kung hirap kayong tumakbo, sabi ko nga kanina...
At least participate.
Yeah, just participate. Basta mag-start lang kayo, finisher na kayo. So, we'll give you prizes for doing that and we'll be helping the needy scholars.
Perfect pala sa akin itong fun run na to kasi 3K lang yung kaya ko at 4.4 ang start nila. Pero at least naman, kahit pa paano, no, makipagtulungan tayo sa kanila para rin makatulong tayo in our own little way. Mr. Rudy?
No, let's walk and run for the health of it and for fun. And at the same time, promote a cause.
Alright.
Ayan, so sana supportan to ng lahat ng mga friends. And syempre, yung mga gusto lang magpaka-healthy, August 31, punta kayo. It's a Sunday. So, isama niyo yung mga family niyo sa UP Diliman from 5 a.m.
6 a.m. to 10 a.m.
But be there early because
Early,
we're really starting at 6 a.m.
Alright, thank you so much for joining us this morning. That was Mr. Andrew Lagmay, Assistant Treasurer ng Our Dreams, at Mr. Rudy Fernandez, ang kanilang consultant.
Thank you so much.